to Ontario. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carrying items stowed exactly where they are as we make our way towards the gate. Once the captain has parked the aircraft and turns that seatbelt sign off, that will be your only indication it is safe for you to get up. We do ask that you use caution when you get into those overhead bins, as items may have moved around during flight and they could fall out. Take this time, double check the area around you for any personal belongings, your car keys, wallets, headphones, anything of that nature. Make sure you have all of your personal belongings before you get off this aircraft, as you will not be allowed back on board to retrieve them. You must speak with operations agent at the top of the jet bridge. If you are continuing on to Sacramento, this is your aircraft. On flight 1758, we ask that you remain in your original seats and let the local passengers deplane. We have to do a through count. We'll make an announcement when you are free to get up, stretch your legs, use the lavatory. Again, if you are going on to Sacramento on flight 1758, please remain in those original seats and let the local passengers deplane. If you are connecting to another Southwest Airlines flight, be sure to check the monitors in the gate area for the most up-to-date flight information. Thank you very much for choosing Southwest Airlines for your travel needs. Go out there, be safe, buckle up, wash your hands, be kind to one another. And we look forward to seeing you in another Southwest Airlines flight in the near future. Welcome to Ontario. Gentlemen, if you are seated next to a window, I wouldn't mind lowering your window shade. It helps keep the aircraft cool for the next passengers. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you do